Hey everybody, in the last video we took a look at these cases, and today I have a new case that I got from eBay, and it is the leather case, and I want to take a look at that with the Pixel 3 XL. And I just got it in the mail. Actually, it's been sitting here while I've been on vacation, but you've seen the unboxings before, but I'm gonna go ahead and get it out real quick. But I thought what was cool is, well, I don't know if it's cool, but there's nothing new from the box from this series 2 to the series 3. I don't know if you remember the original Pixel, but there's the box for that. So, alright, I know you've seen the unboxings. I have too. We actually saw the unboxings before the phone even came out. There's the 3, and we'll go into the box. I'm really excited about the Pixel 3 XL. I'm excited about using these. I think that's really neat of Google to include that in the box. And then all the goodies and the charging brick is right here. I'm not gonna unbox any of this stuff because I've still got all my stuff from the Pixel 2. And I also took a look in the last video of the trade-in kit. If you're not if you're a Fi member, you can do this trade-in for Google. Actually, I think they may do that regardless. But so let's take a look at the phone in the actual cases that I've purchased. Check the last video and see the links on that. I'll put the links down below, but I'm just if you want to see them more in depth. So this one was the laughable autofocus ultimate experience case. You can find this thing all over eBay at starting prices, really low, and it's also on Amazon. Just a cheap case. You would just do this before you decide on what case you are going to buy. So look at it. It does look like it has good cutouts. Fingerprint sensor is centered, so that looks to be okay. I would never buy this case, to be just FYI. Never ever buy this case. The microphone looked like it lined up too, so a little microphone there. So this is, maybe I'll do a giveaway. Comments, I don't know. So this Tudia, I really like the Tudia cases. In fact, I just got back from traveling and I used the Tudia case exclusively. I put a little, a little gizmo or a pop socket on the back because it really sticks well with this hard plastic piece that goes on here. So if I was going on amusement park rides and whatnot, I like that extra protection that this case affords it. Everything looks like it lines up. And it's actually not a bad looking case, and you can get multiple colors in this Tudia. And with the Rink, this is just another slide-on case. That we'll see how this works. All of these have lips. It looks like everything is lined up. Everything is kosher. Now, let's look at this thing, because I got this off of eBay. So these come, most of the cases I bought off of eBay are coming from China, but this one looks like someone pre-bought a lot of these and is reselling for a little bit of profit, which no big deal. This came from California. It came in this box, and it had a soft outer package as well. But this one is actually supposed to be leather and not a faux. So we'll see. It does look and feel like leather. It's not going to be the best protection, I'm afraid, but it's probably going to be better looking than some of those others. Hey Dave. You guys saw that before I did, didn't you? We've all done that at least once. So cutouts look good here. Everything's good here. Whoa, that's a little close. A little close for comfort right there. The others didn't get that close. I mean, that's clearance. That's actually clear. It's not going to interfere with it. And the fingerprint sensor is centered. So let's see it. Did they get? Okay, they didn't have to get this. So corner drops. It's going to be mildly protected, not completely protected. I mean, if you look at that corner, no, I don't know if I can recommend this case. I mean, for just actually it feels really good. I mean, this thing was cheap too. The link will be down below. This is an eBay case. I think I'm going to order some more eBay cases as well. And I'm doing this prior to spending the $45 on the Google leather case. So links are down below. Also look at this video channel. Subscribe. Hit the subscribe button and look for more case videos on the Pixel 3 XL. I've also got a tons of other tech videos. Thanks for watching. I'll check back with you on some more cases and we'll see how this works. Now I'm going to power up my new Pixel. See ya.